Hey everybody, Jason Hubbard with EXP Realty. Today I'm out in Santan Valley and we're looking at an Ashton Woods home, looking at an Ashton Woods community inside of Bella Vista Farms. Today we're looking at the Daisy floor plan, which is a 2-story floor plan. We got a massive deal on a spec home here where the builder is just offering huge incentives to try to unload this home before the start of the new year. They've marked the price down on this property all the way down to $464,990. And that comes with the $5,000 in incentives for closing costs as well. So let's go ahead, take a look at this Daisy floor plan out here in Bella Vista Farms and see what you think. Okay, as we enter into this Daisy floor plan, you come in the front door here. First thing off to your right, you have a nice living room space. You could use this as a living room. You could use this as a den, however you want to use it. This is a 2-story home, so here, right underneath the stairway, you're gonna have the deep closet. And then the stairway going up to the second level. And then you come into the family room here. Tile flooring throughout. These are your 16 by 16 tiles. Nice big spacious living room. One of the great things about the 2-story homes is all the extra space you get in the yard. So this is the same exact lot. As you'll see on the video I did, and you can click the link above if you want to see the video for the sunflower floor plan, which is a 2,219 square foot floor plan that I filmed the other day. This floor plan here, the Daisy floor plan, has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a den. It's also got a 3-car tandem garage and is 2,997 square feet. So as you're looking at the kitchen here, this one here, white maple shaker cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. Notice we got the famous gas range here, which people love. Nice kitchen nook / dining area here. And off to the back, we have a half bathroom here. Bathroom here. And as you come out of the half bathroom, you got a closet to the right. But then you have your 3-car tandem garage. Everybody needs more garage space. Well, here at this property, you get extra garage space as well as what feels like a bigger lot because you have the 2-story home on it. Okay, as we come back into the house, we've covered the first floor. Notice, again, the kitchen here with the pantry back over here in the corner. Let's go ahead and take a walk upstairs. What they did here with this spec plan is, rather than offering huge incentives and a lower interest rate, they took it all the way down on the price. This one they're blowing out for $464,990. Nice loft area right as you come up. Very large master bedroom, which goes right into the master bathroom. Nice big double sink, walk-in closet, towel storage, water closet, and you have a good-sized master bedroom closet as well. So coming back out of the master, this is where every utility room should be, right next to the master bedroom. Nice big laundry room. And a guest bathroom or bathroom for the kiddos. 2 spaces there to get ready. Another thing about the 2-story homes, because you're building upward instead of outward, yeah, obviously you have the bigger lot like we talked about, but the bedrooms are also typically larger. You're able to build more space upward. This home is just under 3,000 square feet, which makes that list price that much more amazing, to be able to be under $500,000 in our current climate. Under $500,000 for 3,000 square feet, and 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. Okay, and the final bedroom. So it looks like every single bedroom has walk-in closets. This is the smallest bedroom, which is plenty spacious. And the 3rd full bathroom. Here's our backyard. All right, as we finish up here, again, I'm Jason Hubbard with EXP Realty. I'm working my way around the valley, trying to cover as many new construction communities, builders, and floor plans that I can. Today, I'm at Ashton Woods out in Bella Vista Farms in Santan Valley, covering a couple different floor plans. This one is the Daisy floor plan, a 2-story floor plan. If you want to take a look at it, reach out to me. Down below, you'll see my phone number, 480-588-2281. You can also email me at jhubbard@loyaltyhomegroup.com. Make sure you if you're not going to give me a call, make sure you call another real estate agent before you go out to the builder sales office. Although they are super friendly people and very helpful, they do not represent you. They represent their client, their employer, which is the builder. So their job is to satisfy their builder, and my job as an agent would be to satisfy you, get you the best possible deal, and make sure that everything is working out in your favor. So before you go, make sure you contact an agent, even if it's not me, just so you can get some representation. And thank you for joining me today. And if you enjoyed this video, if you're finding my community tour videos helpful at all, please hit the like button, subscribe for future videos, and ring that bell. I thank you again for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.